You can proceed.
Edit me some good music right here. Oh, look at these beautiful. Viva Mexico!
Slow down, let me take a look.
Viva Mexico! Shout out to Alonzo for his order.
Viva, you gonna say it in Spanish?
Oh, gracias Alonzo para tu order. Me gusta tu logos. How far am I going?
Mm-hmm.
This is going. Here we go, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I ain't gonna make it. I ain't gonna make it. I ain't gonna make it. Oh.
Whatever. Are these vectored? Well, this is.
Yeah, they're all.
Oh, everything's vectored?
Yeah, it's amazing. He sent
Awesome.
amazing images.
Oh, and that's the whole piece?
Yeah, those are all the characters. They all have names. So one is like Source, E, Big Love, Little Love, Queen Love.
Oh, this is what I wanted to address. So, welcome back to another video of Shaded Content. And today, you guys see there's a little bit different changes in the store. There's a lot of new changes going on. Oh, let me get this one right here. I like this Gorillas. These are dope.
Yeah.
Look at these. These are dope. Look at that. That's cool. That's dope. I mean, you can't, like I said, if you want the highest quality images, you know who to hit up. FCB Vinyl and Apparel, which will soon be Flash Custom Transfers, LLC. So we got a lot going on. We will tell you guys as we do everything that we're doing. We got a third machine coming to really ramp up our production, because whenever we have a big order like this kind of takes down one printer and then we have to do everything else from the other printer. Oh, do you want me to talk or?
No, I put music on.
Okay. So while she's over there working for the Instagram and TikTok and stuff like that, I just wanted to let you guys know that we got a lot of things coming. We got some big moves. It's just a lot. Like, we got a lot going on. That's why you kind of see the shop is a little bit different. So we got a lot of things coming. If you guys don't see a video from us, it's because we're doing so many things in the background to be able to up our production. So like I said, we're getting a third printer, and then we got something special coming for graphics. So soon we will be able to do this on that. So that's coming soon for another printer. So like I said, soon we'll be able to do full color vinyl decals. Full color, so you can put them on your cards, you can put them on your glass, you can put them on your walls, put them anywhere. We will soon be able to do that.
You're telling me that we can put this image and turn it into a decal sticker and put it on the car?
Yeah, you know that.
Wow.
Why you acting like you did too?
Just in case. Baby, look at you.
No, I
can
know.
put any of these images on your car.
Yeah, well, tell them.
Any of these images. Look at this. Full color transfers.
And not just on your car, on your store, on your wall, like we have up here. We can do it.
Oh, like stickers?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're not just limited to single colors like these. These are all single color stickers.
Yes.
It's just mind blowing what we can do.
Yep.
I'm excited.
Yep. So that's why, guys, we have a lot. So like this, like instead of having it on paper, or what is this? Whatever this is, like plastic, thick paper, like what's that called? Photo paper. Instead of having that, you would actually have a full-blown vinyl sticker printed on. Oh, okay. Printed on here, and you'd be ready to go. Sorry, guys, we had a customer that we had to serve, but yeah. So I just wanted to let you guys know these sheets, as you see. Oh, this is the question I want to answer for everybody. Everybody sees these long sheets, right? This is how our printer prints. Our printer prints everybody's order, right? So whenever we're running our printer, we set up everybody's, we set up your artwork. So this right here, from here up, is one order, but it's different sheets. So it's this, like right here to here is 22 by 24. This right here to here is 22 by 24. This right here to here is 22 by 24, and this right here to here is 22 by 24. So this right here is about 4 to 5 sheets, if my dimensions are correct. So that's why we lay them out just for video purposes. Nobody's ordering 22 by 100, by 100. No, that's not how they're ordering. They're ordering per sheet. We print it like this, we cut it right here, and then we just mail them the whole roll. We don't chop down anything or something like that because we like to send you your whole roll so that you can see it and that you can say, man, you know what? I had some space, right? So this guy, if this was our competitor, anybody else like Supercolor or something like that, they have all this space. Now, this customer, we appreciate you, they decided not to put anything in this space, but Supercolor wouldn't tell you, right? They would not tell you. And in fact, if they could, they would squeeze in something else in this space for another order and then cut that out and then send that to somebody else. We don't do that. So if you wanted something in this space, which can fit a nice size logo, you can do that. They just chose not to do that. Maybe they didn't have a smaller logo. But that's the reason why we do this, because we want you guys to see what space is left so that on your next order, you can be like, you know what, let me go ahead and throw a smaller FedEx in there. Let me go ahead and throw a smaller Splendid in there or something like that. Like, smaller. Let me go ahead and throw that in there. Like right here, there's not really that much space. Maybe they could fit like a little smaller one of those, maybe right there. But as you can see, we fit this. So we got 4 nice logos, and then we're able to fit that right there. So this right here is a true gang sheet. And this right here, you see how it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this right here is 2 sheets. So, because I get a lot of people who ask me, how do I order that long one? No. We don't sell any bigger than 22 by 24. Right? We still have a business at the end of the day, and we still have to be profitable. So, but the bang for your buck is still tremendous. Like even these, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is probably 1. They can still fit something in the middle. So you get the whole sheet, and then you can decide in your next order, dang, I had some room. Now, if you got a sheet like this, right? He's got 1, and he's got another one over here. It's different. You notice each one is different. He's got a big image, small images. Big image, small images, big image, small images. So he's really maximizing his space. That's what we want you guys to do, is maximize your space. If you have any space and you see your layout, because we're gonna send it back to you and show you, please maximize your space. Now, if you're cool with it and this is all you can do, that's fine. That's perfectly fine. And same thing right here. But like I said, we wanna give you your best bang for your buck. So we're not here to just take your money and make as much money as for us. No, because like I said, we want you guys to sell the sheets. We want you guys to cut the logos out and sell them per logo. We want you guys to press them on a shirt and sell the shirt for a profit so that you guys come back to us, and therefore everybody makes a lot more money. So that's it. I know that question a lot of people ask. See how she just cut it? She cut it. Now this is going to 1 person. So cut out of that. Nobody ordered some people do. Like we got a huge order with 145 sheets coming, and that's going directly from the printer. The order that's gonna be super long, 145 sheets, that's going directly from the printer to the person. It's not coming to the store, it's not doing anything like that. It's going directly to that person immediately. We like to get orders like that out. Like I said, guys, we have a lot of big things coming. We have another DTF printer coming. So we're trying to up our production and manufacturing here in Texas, and we're trying to be the biggest in the country. I don't know how our competitors, we've heard some things about Amazon getting into the DTF world. We heard some things about Supercolor and everybody else trying to get into it, stalls. So it's a big thing, and we're just trying to make our footprint as big as possible. So if you guys could help us, a small business, right? We're not Amazon. We know that here in Houston, Amazon's gonna buy 20 printers. Right, baby?
It's just a testing site. They're not necessarily ready to ship out and manufacture, they're just testing.
Yep.
So 20 testing printers.
Yep.
And it's Amazon. They're not gonna get the cheap printers. They're gonna get
the same ones we got. If they don't make anything better. If they don't make anything better, because we have the top of the line ones, and that's what they're gonna do. They're gonna get 20 printers here in Houston, at one of their facilities, because Amazon Flex is really big out here. So they have a lot of facilities out here in Houston. And it's a hub, so they, we got the Port of Houston right here. So that's gonna be a big competitor. We know for a fact from talking to everybody over at the Impressions, what's it called, babe? Yeah, the convention, the Impressions Expo in California. We know from them, we know all the big competitors are looking to get into DTF because of people like us. So they know exactly what we're doing. We've all had meetings and stuff like that. They see our numbers and they're really interested, but they're gonna do it their way. And a lot of people don't wanna get things from China and machines from China. So please support your small business, as that's us, before all these big, huge people jump into the space, and then who knows where the market is gonna go. I just wanted to give you guys a little tidbit. And like I said, but what they will not be doing is full color vinyl permanent transfers. Is that even is it a transfer? Right?
I don't even know
What's it called?
Wow.
Full color, remember, not too tight.
Stickers.
Sticker. Well, no, it's not. It's a decal.
Decal, but in technical term, it's a sticker, and you can stick it anywhere.
Yeah, but you don't call those stickers. You call those decals.
Yeah, but for people who aren't familiar,
Yeah.
you can just say a big sticker. You can make.
No, because a sticker, you're gonna think like it comes up. A decal, isn't gonna come up. So we're gonna use decal. Yeah, so the decals, because even like ours are white, right? But imagine being able to have this decal in all green, like we want it, and then the letter's black. Up there, that's sort of kind of, I don't know if you guys can see, that big one right here, the Cypress Suites, that's what we will be doing. Yeah, that's what we will be doing soon. So over there, that big sticker, that big decal, a big printed decal, that's what we will be doing, and we will be able to provide that to you, and small and big. So you don't have to go as big as that. But if you wanted one for your store or for your door or anything, contact us. So once we have that all locked and loaded, we will be doing that.
I was gonna say this guy has a
Oh, yeah.
YouTube. So YouTube Love 365 fam.
Yep, go subscribe.
Subscribe. Thank you for your order. He said he saw us on YouTube. So fellow YouTuber.
That's the dude that with the cut. That's the cutter.
No.
Oh, I thought that was the cut guy.
No, we already sent his order out.
Okay.
But anyways, his images are beautiful. But follow him.
Yep, go follow him. Go
Shop
support.
now.
Shop now.
Get your merch. He is selling merch.
And it's quality, because look at these. Look at these images.
It's so
Look
good.
at these images.
Uh-huh.
Yep, so that's gonna be it. Support your small business, please. Even though we're growing as a business and we're getting bigger, we're still always gonna be a small business in comparison to, huge $1 million companies who have, $12 million advertising budgets and can pay all these influencers to promote their product and stuff like that. Even though we know we got the best product because we're not using plastisol. So that's gonna be it, guys, for this video. Like I said, we got a lot, as you can see in the shop, we got a lot of things going on. We don't know if we want to put our printers on video yet at our warehouse, so we're still kind of thinking about that, but I don't know, maybe we will. Leave a comment down below if you guys want to see our printers. All right, guys, you know our slogan, we are starving. Be basic. Peace.